What up, people of the internet? This your boy GJ16, and welcome back to FoodKicks. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood it is out there. It's just gorgeous, man, today. It is really gorgeous today. Today we're going to be trying the steak Bearnaise. Bearnaise? The steak Bearnaise. We're going to be cooking that today. And I don't eat steak that often. We're gonna go ahead and try this and head on over there and cook this. Let's go. Alright guys, today we're gonna be making the Bearnaise. I think it's like a French meal. But anyway, these are the ingredients. You got your strip steak, your butter, your shallot onions, 2 egg yolk, the lemon juice, the olive oil, the sea salt, the black pepper, the white wine vinegar, not to be mistaken with white vinegar, because I had to actually go to the store and get it, because I thought the ingredients had to be white vinegar, but it's white wine vinegar. And then you get what we have, tarragon. Yeah, so these are the ingredients. Let's get to making it. Alright, so now you want to pat both sides of the steak down using a paper towel, okay? Like so. Pat it down dry. There we go. Pat both sides down dry. Alright, so now that you dried it off, I don't have a brush, but I'm going to rub some oil on both sides, okay? It might be too much salt, too much pepper for that one. Come on. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and do all 4 like that and throw it in a frying pan. Alright, so now we got the steaks in the pan cooking. You're going to cook one side for 6 minutes, flip it over. Actually, cook it until, I guess, however you like steak, because I like mine well done. The instruction asking for medium, so I'm just going to cook mine well done. And while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and head over and get the rest of the ingredients together. Alright, now we're going to combine the rest of the ingredients. We're going to start off with pouring in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You want 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. You want to go ahead and throw in your shallot onion. Now you want to throw in your 2 egg yolk, and then 1 tablespoon of tarragon seasoning. Now you want to take this and you want to blend it for like 30 seconds or until it's creamy. You want it looking like that right there. Now that we got the melted butter, we're going to go ahead and pour it in there. Boy, look at this. The steak is done. Well, this one's still cooking, but let me finish cooking that one. The steak tastes good. I haven't put the Bearnaise sauce on there, but woo, I outdid myself with the steak, buddy. But we're gonna go ahead and finish cooking the steak. Put the Bearnaise sauce on there, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when I plate it. Alright peeps, there it is, it's done. The Bearnaise steak, actually it's just the steak with the seasoning, and then I plated it with a little side dish, but here we go. We're gonna go ahead and pour that Bearnaise sauce on there. Bearnaise sauce, there you go. Oh, a little too much, there we go. My wife had to correct me, it's the Bearnaise sauce. Alright, there go the Bearnaise sauce on there, and then we're gonna sprinkle a little tarragon on top of there. Bop, bop, bop. There it is. It's done. Man, I can't wait to try it, man. I'm hungry. I ain't ate nothing all day. Let's go ahead and eat this up. Yo! Thank you for watching. I appreciate all that you do. I don't really know what it is that you do personally, but I know that you just watched this video, so I appreciate that. And I want to thank you for that. Alright? Jeez. Also, don't forget, if you like this video, hit a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Okay? Like and subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. And I appreciate that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's the same thing, FoodKicks1. That's me on Instagram. You should see my little picture down there if I ain't changed it by now. Again, that's FoodKicks1. And I'll see you next video. Peace.